Today we're going to be opening up the Top 6 Aaron Judge collaboration that features Yankee players from Judge himself to the Great Bambino. This released recently with the MSRP of $19.99.
Took a while to get this to come in the mail, so I was pretty excited when it finally came in, and looking forward to opening it up, see what's inside. All right, so we'll just open up this outside wrapper. By the way, I ordered 2 of these so that I'd have one that I can either keep and open if I like what I pull from here, or save it and offer it for sales to others. All right, let's open up the package here. This thing is pretty secure, not easy to open. Now this box, it has some options for getting some autographs and also some parallels. So we'll see if this pack includes any of those. All right, so start off with Aaron Judge. Tyler Glasnow, Jordan Alvarez, Chris Bryant. Nice selections there. So you have actually just look at that first card. Yep, so we got Judd in here. 12. Acuna. Excellent. Action shot, Aaron Judge. Bryce Harper. Tim Anderson. I think he's one of the most underrated players out there. Isaiah Brew. Cody Bellinger. Mickey Mantle, nice. Nice card. Definitely have to include him in the set. Freddie Freeman. He's now with the Dodgers. Mike Trout. Nice way to end the set. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this.
This was a solid box and had great value and great cards for the price. I really recommend that you guys go and check this out on Topps. We'll leave the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe.